Little video showing the difference between the two sirens. This Jeep has the standard Evan Designs model siren, I guess it is, the small speaker. This modified Gaucho Jeep over here has the 4-inch speaker installed in the grill. And again, this has the regular one installed in the grill, the small one. Here's a small one. Not bad, has good sound. But the 4-inch one just drowns it out. This one's not bad, but nowhere near as loud, so it is a good purchase if you're looking at the two. I go with the 4-inch speaker for a couple extra dollars. And mine came already mounted together. They already soldered it for me, so all I had to do is put it on. Alright?